when you have the low hanging fruit in the presentation part and you don't take care of it, it just doesn't make sense. Hey, Mark Fitzpatrick here with Arla Real Estate. Another tip for sellers on presentation, right? We talk about the 3 Ps a lot, the key to success, how every property we've put up has been able to sell. And presentation, again, this is something that's so simple, it just aggravates me when I see it. This is not my property, I'm previewing it for a client. It's a condo, and obviously you can see some odd colors going on here, but take a look at this. Simple thing to do, but they didn't do it. When you have the low hanging fruit in the presentation part and you don't take care of it, it just doesn't make sense. I mean, this is what I do for my clients. So anyway, these lights here, a second part component of lighting is to make sure that all the lights are the same color. I can tell you those are not. Meaning you might see a yellow hue, you might see a more white or natural light. Sometimes people, not knowing it at first, they'll put yellow and white light in the same row of lights like in that bathroom, and it's a subtle thing, but it throws the eyes off. Again, I want to remove every obstacle in somebody's mind so that they can focus on the property and not get distracted by, in this case, really minutia, but it's super important, beyond the fact that it's not bright in the bathroom, and that was a simple fix. So I hope that helps. Always make sure you have all the bulbs in, and always make sure the light is the same color so that it gives off the same feel throughout. I hope that helps, and for more, obviously check out the other videos, and we'll see you soon.